Alright, so we're here at the Mantra House right now. I just met with Timur. I think this is gonna be pretty poppin'.
It's very interesting to say she's honest. Yeah, she's a very honest person. I got lemongrass. Lemongrass. That's the kombucha? Yeah. Cold. Okay. Yes, please. Me also cold. Thank you.
Oh my god, let's do it, man!
Where are we, Timur?
Man, we are in hell. Are you ready? Let's go down to Ukrainian hell.
Okay, so right now we're at this place. What's it called again?
It's called Kryivka.
Kryivka. And so to get in this place, we have to, what do we have to do?
We need to say a password. He will say Slava Ukraini. It means like all glories to Ukraine.
Okay.
And we need to say Geroyam Slava.
Geroyam Slava.
Geroyam Slava.
Geroyam Slava.
Like not Geroin Slava.
Oh, Geroyam.
Geroy, yes.
Geroyam Slava.
Yeah, with a hand.
We'll see how this goes.
Let's go. Alright, are you ready, guys? Okay, let's go.
Haslo.
Password.
Haslo.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, password. Come on, man. You should remember.
Haslo України, кажи, курва. Бо застрілю.
Героям слава.
Героям слава. Москалі є? No. Є. Да.
No.
Є?
No.
Курва, зараз москалів застрілю.
No.
На ФСБ? No.
No.
Не любиш? Україну любиш?
Do you like Ukraine? Turn it off.
А то 4К.
4K.